Turkey has once again captured the attention of the maritime defense sector following the successful testing of the TUFAN Kamikaze IDA, an unmanned surface vessel, USV, designed for one-way, or kamikaze, strike missions. This trial marks a significant milestone in the rapid evolution of Turkey's unmanned vessel technology over recent years. The TUFAN Kamikaze IDA represents a key innovation in Turkey's autonomous vessel program, specifically engineered for precision maritime strike operations. Unlike conventional warships, this USV requires no human crew, enabling its deployment in high-risk missions without endangering military personnel. The vessel is designed to strike enemy surface targets directly and operate autonomously or semi-autonomously using an AI-driven navigation system. The concept behind Turkish unmanned warships like the TUFAN Kamikaze IDA reflects a shift in modern military strategy. Moving away from a reliance on large crewed vessels, Turkey is developing a fleet of small, fast, and cost-effective craft that can be expended during strike missions. Key capabilities tested include high-speed stability in open waters, AI-based control systems, the integration of onboard radar and sensors, and encrypted communication links with command centers. A pivotal feature of the TUFAN Kamikaze IDA is its utilization of a Turkish AI-based naval combat system. This technology empowers the vessel to automatically analyze targets, make independent navigation decisions, and adjust attack routes in real time. These capabilities signal Turkey's entry into a new era of autonomous maritime systems, where warships are no longer exclusively controlled by human operators.